Okay, next. The G is the length of this material. Now G is one side of the square inscribed in a circle of diameter C. これの inscribed this diameter is C. So this line G. So G equal C slash square root. Okay. And H is H is divide into 3. Divide C. Divide C, the diameter C into 3. So H equal C slash 3. Okay. The next I is this length of the material. This length. The first divide this distance. Divide this distance into 3. From this point to this point. This point is the center of the diameter C. Okay. And so this distance I, so I slash 5, and here is same. Okay, so I equal A plus C slash 2 by 2 by 1 slash 3 by 5. Okay, next.